Welcome back to the Easy to Follow Cash App series, where I'm going to be teaching you today how to add a debit card to your Cash App account. So we'll click on the top right button here with the icon, and you want to scroll down to where it says linked banks. Click on that. Now I have here my current checking account, a credit card, and I'll just click on the button where it says link debit card. It says here, add a bank using your debit card. Linking an external account allows you to move money in and out of your Cash App balance. So let me go ahead and enter this number now. Once you enter your full debit card's number, then you want to enter your expiration date. After that, you want to enter the CVC code. And finally, your zip code. And click on the green button where it says link card. It will be linking there for a few seconds, and then it'll say card linked, and now you have your debit card. If you have your bank account here, you'll see your bank account and your credit card. You can now send money using your debit card. You want to pay somebody? Great. You just choose the debit card there. That pops up. All right, there you go. Make sure to watch the rest of the Cash App video series where I teach you how to do all things Cash App related.